everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are doing good and hope you all are enjoying the week. So today, let's do like the channel. Also, at the same time, leave your comments. When I see your comments, I actually feel very happy that you're resonating with the readings. And when I'm giving you small tips, do let me know how the tips are helpful to you. And as usual, if you're still not a part of my WhatsApp group where we do our daily readings, where all my workshops, my products, everything keeps coming as an update, if you're not a part of it, then you can WhatsApp to 63806 and they shall add you. You have to just tell them your name and city. So let's, as I said, when you leave your comments, I also feel happy, and at the same time, I know what are the other new things I should bring for you and how I can work towards it. So going to the readings, the Ganesha cards, let's see what Ganesha is going to tell you today. The card just fell on its own. So, joy. It's going to be a day of joy today. It's going to be a day of happiness today. Do you see the card? It's a day of happiness, a day of joy, a day where you are going to go in search of happiness. And the beautiful mouse is carrying the pot. So, maybe today Ganesha is asking you to spend some time in your altar. If you have a shivling at your home, then today give shivling a bath with rose water. If you don't have a shivling, it's perfectly fine. If there's any nearby Shiva temple, buy a bottle of rose water and give it to them and tell them specifically that you want them to use it for the abhishek of shivling. So let's see what's the next card, then we will see what is the everything together. Okay, now promise of the future. So here again, Ganpati is saying, I am there to take care of your future. I am there to safeguard your future. Don't worry about your future. Just look, there's a bright and a beautiful future. So maybe some of you are worried that though all things are good, what if things go wrong? What if there's something, which you're missing? And that again is actually troubling you. So there, Ganpati is telling you not to worry. What more you need when the Vignaharta himself is saying that, there is a promise to your future. Now, when there's a promise to the future, it actually means that he is going to take care of that future of yours, right? So I think you just need to surrender it to him, and you just need to focus that he is there and he will handle it beautifully. So be rest assured, whatever new is coming, don't allow your past to overpower it, because he is telling you, reflect your dreams, reflect your desires, and see how I bring in new progresses in your life. But don't allow your past to overpower it. Just have a positive outlook and things will change for you. So today I feel the color should be light green, because you need to heal when you see new opportunities coming, and if you feel that what if I am on the wrong track, or what if the past is repeating, so the light green. I've already said what you need to do. Go to some Shiva temple today, and if you have the shivling, then please do it at home. You can do it in the morning or in the evening also. Today in the evening, if possible, again, because it's Ganpati week, pick up some laddus, offer to Lord Ganesha, and you all can sit and have as a family. Then Lord Ganesha will also be happy, and in turn, when the whole family sits and has the prasad, the happiness and the sweetness spreads within the family. Have a beautiful day ahead. Thank you.